Hi, my daisies. I'm back. It's been a while since I catched up with you guys. And does it is it noticeable or is it still the same? It's the same place, it's the same room, but it's a different camera. I'm using the camera of my new phone. Although I can still use my dad's phone, but yeah, there's a switch. A lot has gone on from my timeline. There's some liquor here. Okay. So yes, why are we creating a video today? Because I'm gonna yap on my recent ongoings while trying to experiment what makeup I'll wear for our Christmas party, because our theme is retro and I don't know how to do retro makeup. I'm gonna experiment. I'm gonna look up onto Pinterest. It's nice to see you guys again. Like, I've been so stressed. Like, I'm always stressed, but listen, look good. Just kidding. Never mind. I'm looking at my other phone, because I need to look for inspo. When I'm looking for inspo, I'll tell you the research ongoing. So the research are still ongoing. We haven't made the full physical prototype, but we're almost there. I'm graduating in I'm graduating in 3 months. I'm graduating senior high school. Thanks, curriculum of the Philippines. Okay, yun lang. Almost there. Kunti lang. Visit na yan. Ayoko na. Ayoko na, guys. Like, grabe. Tas siniksik lahat ng schedule namin. Like, may mga teachers. Yung mga teachers namin napapunta pa sa amin yung, okay, wala kayong ginagawa ng araw na to. Punuin natin lahat. Ganun. Stop. As if naman na tutulugan mo kami. Hindi kami robot. And then, that's my usual complaint naman. I celebrated my birthday. It's fun. We had karaoke, great food. I just celebrated in my grandma's house. It's quite spacious there, and it's all intimate. All my close friends are there. My close cousins, my grandma, my dad, since my mom is working overseas, and my younger brother is there. It's amazing, to be honest, and it's wholesome. They made it very warm. It's all welcoming. It's all pink. Yes. Although my favorite color is dark red, specifically maroon or burgundy, and also light pink. Anything light pink, like bruh. What do you call that again? I think it's dark rose. I don't know. Yes, I'm looking on my Pinterest. Yay! Retro. I'm not good at making. I wanna make like the fox eye, to make my face a little bit looking fox eye, but that. And although I have my fit already for my Christmas party, and I'm wearing brown flare pants with a light pink top. Yes. My third favorite color. Let's do a breakdown of my favorite colors. Number 1, dark red. Number 2, light pink. Number 3, we have yellow. We have the fourth one, which is brown, and lastly, my top 5. Still trying to think. My top 5, I think it would be dark green. It's looking classy. Okay. I'm trying to make my eyes look a bit like that, but not in an awkward way. I just don't know how to like look it, because I suck at eyeliner, and I think I have to make pauses on this video just to focus on it. I need to look at my mirror. No, I have a mirror. And then, don't worry, I don't wear makeup right now. You can see me. Oh yes, I have a wound here because I just knocked our glass table. Don't worry, we're not rich. It just came with the apartment. And yes, this earrings, I just newly bought it. It's like, yeah, brain rot. Don't worry, I'm not too brain rot yet. So, and that's my hair. I mean, I've had a haircut, but it's been a while. But I think I'll I'll ask for a trim in our Christmas break. It's like that. Look, it has been tied since earlier lunch. I guess that's why it's a little bit curly, but naturally it's just straight hair. That's the outcome. It curls easily when I tie it. Either the bun swoops like that or the regular bun. It's supposed to be the cut on the middle, but I look like I'm a composed music. What they call that is composing. The one. That's too much. Let's just tie back our hair. Or just kidding. That's why I like dark red so much. It flatters me somehow. I think. There we go. And then just rough. What's with the emote? Anyways, oof. I need to pause the video until I get an inspo. It won't look exactly like the inspo, but I'm trying to reference my ideas. So I'll see you when I get an inspo. So I'm back with the inspo, and I don't know if I can achieve it, but I'm gonna try the crazy crease. They call it crease, and yes, I'm gonna wing it because I have a short time attention span for watching tutorials. It's taking too long, and I don't have the exact ingredients or exact makeup for that. So see that? It's so pretty. Do you see the crease? Yes, the crease is creasing. Or this simple one. I don't know what will fit me. We'll start with I have both. I have this palette. It's so cute. It's a bear. Although my favorite animal is a cat. In this, I have so many eyeshadow palette. But this one, because I once wanted to try like Lady Gaga makeup, but it doesn't fit me. Where do I start? I don't know where to start. Maybe I should start contouring first. Contour what, girl? I don't know how to contour like this. I don't know how. Somebody help me. Just kidding. In makeup, okay, I'm alright. I'm happy with my family because we're cuckoo together. Just not too cuckoo, I mean, in a good way. Cuckoo in a good way. I'm trying to open the eyeline, and it's hard to open. Yeah. It's so cute with a bow. I'm so coquette. Just kidding. My main aesthetics. Maybe I should do a Q&A next time. Q&A. Nobody comments here, but we're gonna do a Delulu Q&A. And next time, I think I'm planning. Oh, what is? Never mind. I won't tell. Oh, the mirror. Oh, who's that? Boom. I think I'm gonna do the eyeliner first because I'm sketchy, so I can clean it up. Should I do it in the mirror? Of course. It's kind of tricky when it comes to camera. This is my mother, okay? I am not engaged. I'm too young for that, and I haven't found my ideal type. We'll talk about that soon enough, but mom, I don't know how to do an eyeliner. Yes, let's look at the mirror so we won't screw up. We will still screw up, but at least it's looking a bit. Oh my god, there's a looking ant on my face because I'm too sweet. Just kidding. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh, screwed up already. This is taking me slow. That just one dot on my face. Let's try to speed it up. Oof. We have to speed it up. So what happened? Yes, I can explain. What is this? Oh, okay. I found the inspo, but inspo ain't inspo. I tried to make the brown version of it, but as you can see, my nails is already like contoured a little bit. There's a bit of color, so it will pop out a little. And then I also put something on here by my eye, and this is not the vision. Now, dear, look. Okay, let's not do this because it's ridiculous. Let's not put eyeliner because we are getting in trouble. Let's just try retro look without the eyeliner. Is that possible? I think so. We're not removing the under eye part, so. Oh, I know, like, oh, that's good. Nose swoop and then under eye. Yup. And we're gonna look like those crying photos. Photo aesthetic. So either I'm gonna experiment with this palette, either this one or this one, the shades or the shades. Why not the gray or blue? Because blue doesn't suit me that much. So, if you're trying to argue, you should have seen me. I look like Ursula. Anyways, I mean, no, even look good in makeup, but yes, we're gonna try. So, there's also an option here like this one. Oh, the mark is so what am I gonna do is like put I'm not used to some people expecting me to do my makeup like always. Look at the mirror, set off the music and then sing and then do my makeup. And what do I look like? It depends on what mood I am. But in our school, like, it's kinda strict when it comes to makeup, so I make it like I'm still all for the glam. Sorry. Like, I'll be strict in makeup, but they just don't want it to look like too thick. Like thick red lips, thick blush. What should I use? Or should I use this palette? Yes. I'll go for brown instead. Let's not stick to the inspo because the inspo is making me a bit woto hilly. Comb my eyebrows to me. But I don't have gel for it. So, watch the newbie do her makeup. I'm just looking at colors. I look. No, I'm gonna put it on the corner of the hair. So it's already looking like ash. Trash. Um, just over the crease part. We're gonna do light brown. First, look at that. Already looking like, girl, you just put mud on your face. Trust the process. Oh god, I don't know if I could even trust that process here, girl. Girly Pops, you should help me. I'm not good at makeup. And I'm just experimenting. So, yes. Yes. Mukha akong binagbog. Binagbog sucker. Binagbog makeup. Yay. Just kidding. May nagbago ba? Hindi ko alam. Tapos, yung next side naman. Kasi, hindi pwedeng hindi siya pantay. So, pantayin lang muna. Nakain. So, we're done balancing it out. And I'm proceeding to putting on this white. Like I said, I am saving this palette. Although, the white here is much prettier. Let's see the close-up. That's the close-up of the eye. There's Shema. And yes, the shimmer is more obvious now. Now that it's close up, but my lighting is not that good. Let's see if we can manage it flat. Yes. It's my phone. Like Girly Pop. Wait for me. Yeah. It's much worse with the flashlight. It should be like a lampshade. Oh, never mind. It's sparkling. See, it's sparkling in the light. Although the makeup, not makeup. That's the face of wrath. Ganyan siya. Oh my god, hindi tayo nagsislay, pero pabayaan mo na. I'm not good at makeup. I'm just trying. I'm gonna put this white one. See, you can see the sparkle and you can see the dent of what I use working. It's pretty, isn't it? I like glittery stuff. Got another Piniplex. Oof. Anyways, I got some distracted. Okay, let's go back because my friends. Yes, that's my friends. And they have different interests, and only the other one wasn't able to go to my birthday. Although the rest of the two there was on my birthday, and it was fun. He was the one drinking my shots for me because even though It's my birthday. I don't like to drink. I never drink. It's not. I don't want to make it a habit, and I don't want to drink. Because, dude, what would drinking benefit you? Yes, it's a little bit like pakikisama, but I'd rather not, please. Respect my memory, and thanks. Shout out to my friend who took all the shots for me. Like, bro, you're awesome. And as for my girlfriend, though, as for my friend who is a girl, I mean, the one another on the group chat, she was also there, but she isn't a drinker as well. We don't drink. Like, let's not make it a habit, and thanks to my. I mean, I'm not saying like he's a drinker, but he drinks. He likes having fun, and it's not like I'm saying I don't like having fun, but I just don't like drinking. That's it. And then, what else did I do on birthday? We like danced. I'm not good at dancing. I'm not really good at dancing, to be honest. I'm just good at a little bit in singing, just a little. Okay, I did not say I'm a pro. Like in this makeup thing, I'm not saying I'm a pro, man. Yun naman, may concealer ako pero hindi ko siya naman ako mag-concealer, guys. Where's my concealer? It's a cute little, like, lipstick. Concealer. Ako lang kakas ng spell. Bibidi-babidi-boo. Yan. Yung concealer, I don't know if it's my shade or so then. Is it my shade? Kasi naman expert yan sa ano. Sorry, wala akong pera. Thanks, inflation. Tapos yan. Yan. Like, basics lang naman. Wala lang. Nagpag-tripan ko lang bumili ng concealer kahit hindi ako marunong gumamit. Tapos yung lipstick. Is it my shade also? Hindi ko din alam. Pero maganda siya pang blush kasi more peachy siya. Like, ano mo, iswatch mo kasi, be. Yan. Oh my god, kita ba siya? Yeah, kita. Parang peachy lang siya. Parang pihi, haha. Super shy, kahit hindi ka naman super shy, bulok ka lang at ito. Kasi itong gloss, hindi talaga siya pink originally, pero clear siya. Clear talaga tong gloss na to, bro. Like, clear siya, guys. Kaso nga, ang lagi ko siyang ginagamit. Ang ginagawa ko kasi, sa halip na yung lipstick, ako siya binili kasi ang cute dahil pusa. Nahilig ako sa pusa. Like, that, cats are my favorite animal. But I would just, like, yeah. Ang cute kasi, bakit? I mean, may times na suplado, tapos biglang ang clingy. Ang cute kata. Tapos yung mukha nila, yung mata nila, may gulay. So adorable. Tapos, yan nga, bakit siya pink? Kasi nga, like ko siyang, sa halip na yung lipstick, like, huli ko siyang ilalagay on my lips. More of, ginagawa ko siya liner. Hindi ko siya, ang vibrant kasi binibili ko, like, hindi ko alam kung ano magiging yung travel ko dito. Like, forgive me, makeup pros. I ain't no pro, I don't know. I know no makeup. I mean, I know how to put on makeup, but I'm not that good, bro. Siguro doyin pa yung magiging forte ko, pero yun nga, tinatay kasi natin retro, hindi ako sanay mag-retro. So, mag-aatong na lang tayo ng look natin para bam. Yan, gloss din siya, pero this one ay tint talaga siya. Tapos na siya. Ang sweet niya. Masyado siyang sweet. Amoy biscuit siya yung nasa red na bucket. Pag sinili yung sweet, sobrang oily niya. Oda. Onti lang nilalagay ko kasi yun nga, oily siya. And ganyan po siya. Subtle lang yung kanya. Kaya laging mukhang natural yung atake ko kasi ayoko naman siya. Although nilaline ko siya nito. Ang kalat na nga ni ito naman kaya ako binili. Shade na yan. Ang bubblegum pink. Ko lang kung anong shade ito. Light pink nakalagay dito. Gusto ko siya kasi like dusty yung pagka-pink niya. Diba? I mean, hindi sa lips ko siya gusto nilagay. Gusto ko siya sa cheek. Mostly kaya ako binibili mga lipstick because of the cheek portion. Ang cute niya. Para siyang blush. Tapos sa red talaga. Red kasi yung inano ko. Kaya siya may black kahit baka sabihin nyo. Tinry ko yung vampire lips. Like, ginamit ko tong eyeshadow na to pang line. Ito, black yan. Tapos, naglagay ako nito red lipstick. Parang kung vampira. Maglantad ba ako ng photo? Sige. Ay. More of dark kasi yung ano ko, bruh. Dark portion. Pero hindi yung cool tone. More of warm tone kasi ako. I don't know if warm tone ako, pero as for ChatGPT, yes, kay ChatGPT lang ako napapa-color analysis. So what? Wala akong pera para dyan. So, makikisponsor na lang po ako ng color OA. Anyways, naglalanta tayo yung photo ng back. Kasi baka kalain nyo, hala, ano yung nabubulok na yung makeup niya kasi may black sa anik. Nak, hindi nabubulok. Yan ay galing sa eyeshadow. Oh, bye. Oh my, ito siya. I mean, hindi siya yung Joker pa. Hindi yung Joker anik ko. Oh my. Jump scare. Joker makeup. Oh my, hindi ako yon. Ay, hindi daw. Lang. Hinahanap pa natin. So, recently nga, nag-research ako. So, nag-picture ako ng picture ko. Malamang. Kasi aesthetic yung picture natin. Ito din, nag-try din ako. Kaya sa ako, kaya like, I don't know if blue suits my eye or feel like mag-eyeliner na sa halip na hanggang dito lang gumanon siya. Lagi siyang ganun. Tinatry ko siyang pantayin, kakapal ng kakapal, tapos bogs. Yan, ending yun. May gulay. Yan yung anak niya. Ako mag-eyeliner na. Oh my. Jump scare malala. Ganyan ako mag-eyeliner. Oh my. Like, suri na. Napapahaba talaga yung drawing ko pag nag-eyeliner ako. Hindi ko mapantay. Parang sa mga drawings ko dati ng bata ako, hindi ko napapantay. Oh my. Anyways, hanapin na natin yung vampire. Yun! Oh my. Nakaka-jump scare ako dito. Bakit ang lala ng dating ko dito? Grabe yung lala. I mean, medyo scared. Medyo pasara. Ay. Medyo asin, pero yun nga. Black. Sinikilig. Uy. Oh my golay. Ang pangat ng post ko dito. Agay. Yan. Diba, vampire na ba? From this to that, diba? Diba? Like, Grabe. I mean, kaya ko naman mag-makeup kasi darkish portion. Pag ginanahan ako mag-makeup box. Tinatakot ako mag-makeup pero kailangan ko mag-try kasi pag i-winning it ko na lang sa mismong day, pumapangit yung makeup ko. Like, hindi pwede. It's our year-end party. Lahat sila kabog. Tapos ako, eto, ano lang, just a free moss, sitting far away. Alam ko na, that pala next time, mag-British accent ako habang nalaan. Like, good day, my daisies. It's a pleasure to meet you once again. I'm here to tackle about. Hindi ako magaling mag-British, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. Lip-glossan na lang kita ganyan. Kapag lagay ko na talaga ako ng lip gloss. So, pwede naman natin burhain. Nakita nyo na clear talaga siya. Parang siyang pink. Pero clear talaga siya. Clear yan. Paubos na siya. Frequent na ginagawa. Kasi nga clear. So, applicable siya sa mga ganyan. Kung gusto mo vampire na. Pero ang ginamit ko sa vampire, ito nga. Vampire lips. Yan. Mukha din siyang dugo. Joke lang. Hindi naman. Okay ka okay. Anyways. Hindi to sponsored. Wala naman akong sponsor. Hello. Look. Bakit ko to binili? Yes, this is new ba yung earrings and butter. Bakit ko siya binili? Wala, naiisip ko kasi parang astig par mafia atake. Ay, isasagas ako kasi aesthetic din yan. Parang pamafia. Pero, oh. Is it not enough proof? Ay. Pero yun nga. Mafia. Tapos, nag-remind sa akin siya ng Vivian Wood. Kasi mafia, old money, ganun. May pasuit. So nga lang. Ganun din, type ko, ayan. Wala pa rin kasi ang mga Y2K na ngayon eh. Hirap na nga ako sa pag-make-up, man. Like, Y2K ba tayo? Mag-blush na lang tayo. Yan. Tatapos na yung makeup look dati. Sabihin lang natin, ito yung go-to ko. Pero hindi ito ang iaano ko sa Christmas party. Yung go-to na lang, best. Pagod na ako. Wala na ako ma-accept. Ang ganda ng makeup ko kanina. Pupuntang school, promise. Glittery siya. Glitter yung ginawa kong blush. Halip na yung normal blush. Kasi alam kong kinang-ina yun. Ay. Basta, ang cute niya compared sa yung normal blush mo. Ay nako, bakit kasi hindi yan na lang gawin ko sa first look part? Hindi, dapat unique look, hindi yung ginamit mo na. Ay, kung natataka pala, is the blush I use itong color na. Halata ba? Or dahil warm tone ako. At least I assume I'm a warm tone. Yun nga. Siguro kaya iba yung latag sa mukha ko. Like, hindi naman ako nag-foundation, hindi naman ako nag-concealer, hindi din naman ako nag-filter. So, mukha tayong, ayan. Mukha tayong clown. Joke lang. Hindi naman. Okay lang. Namang. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng beauty marks if gusto mo. Like, saka siya mag-play in. Gusto mo si Tommy. Sige, si Tommy. Nanginginig-ginig pa, oh. Yan, bogs. Tapos, lagyan mo dito. Yan, bogs. Tapos, lagyan mo dito. Yan, bogs. Tuminta ba siya? Ay, puta. Tell me you're Filipino without telling me you're Filipino. Ayan, di ba? Bogs. Laban na to. Sige, lagyan natin ng line. Asan yung line? Ay, line. Wala pala akong lip liner. Pang-line ko ito. This one. Meow, meow. Kasi ako lang taga siya binili kasi ang cute pusa. Like, come here if you're a cat. If you have a cat, bruh. Lo! Kumata. Joke. Yan, ganyan lang talaga siya. Kasi gaganyan, no. Spread, spread. Yan, tapos lagyan mo siya ng overline dito sa ganun. Para mas mukha lang pouty yung anik mo, lips. As if naman po ka nagbibigay ka ng joke. Pero yun yung nakikita ko sa mga TikTok. Wala akong TikTok, Instagram pala. Pero ayun o, naka-convert naman, di ba yun? Convert, yun ba yung term nun? Convert. Tapos, nakikita mo sa Insta kasi ayoko mag-TikTok. Ayoko mag-download. Never ako nag-download ng TikTok. Mukha talaga tayong clown bes. Napasobra kasi bes. Like, sabihin na lang natin. Oo. Tayo pang gano'n maglagay. Na, ang dami. Hindi pa yan. Diba? Higin lang siya. Tapos, ilugay lang natin buhok. Yung accessory na yun. Ay. Yung buhok mo. Tapos, ganyan. Yung earrings na lang. Ganyan. Asin. Kasi, hindi tayo nag-foundation. Hindi tayo nag-concealer. So, kita yung acne. So, lahat naman tayo may face na may acne. So, ganyan. Ang pangit. May gulay. Jump scare. Or, minsan kasi din ako. Isang side lang. Tapos, yan. Kashay type. Asin. Yan kasi dapat kasi yung mapia kasi. Yan o. Diba? Ang mapia ng atake. Ikaw ba go sa selfie gano'n? Ganon. Sakit na upo ko, best. Like, nag-e-effort po ako. Wala akong upuan. Like, latag lang talaga to. Tapos upo. So, parang yan. Para tayo. Where's Crash? Si Crash Cakes. Katabi ko. Ganon. Pero yun. Yan. Yan siya. Pero yung fit shape. Fishy. My fit check is this. Sabi ko, I want a little bit of a mafia like type of outfit. Ay! Hinahanap ko po kasi. Mag-entay kayo. Oh my gulay. At kasi maganda din yung post. Ganun kasi magbuka tayong diba? Joke lang. Hindi naman, unfiltered nga ni eh. Unfiltered, so. Yan, unfiltered. Sasabihin, hello, naka-filtered na. Busy, kita mo, naghihirap na nga ako sa eyeliner. Hindi ako makapag-eyeliner. Kala ko may eyeliner na. Yan. So, mga bumili ng tawag yung ayun, falsies. Pero, yun nga. Yung falsies kasi natatakot ako sa blue light. Parang ang sakit yan. I mean, try ko na yung falsies kasi pinikap ko na ako last time. Tapos, yung sa birthday ko nga. Tapos, yung nilagay yung falls, bro. Yung, kasi first time ako malagyan ng falls. Kasi hindi ako yung naglalagay. Ganun siya, like, para siya, oh, may gulay. Parang may tumurok sa, like, oh, may gulay ka. Like, hindi ko in-expect na ganun yung bastos. Parang biglang bumigat yung eyelids ko. Like, bumigat, like, hindi naman yung parang siyang guwan nung, tapos, napakurap-kurap pa ako. Nagulat talaga ako kasi hindi ako iniisip ko nga, what if yung magnetic, kaso nga, kapag doon tayo sa cheap bumili, baka delikado pa, tapos baka malaglag pa nga ni kapag magnetic. Oh my God, ayun ba natin inaanik mo kasi waiting kung ano maganda sa buhok ko, best, like, maghanap tayo magandang, tapos picture ganyan, joke lang. Ay nako, kasi magpipicture din tayo pagka kasi retro forever. So, yung hinahanap ko, oh my, natambakan kasi puro notes, nagtiquiz pa kami ngayon, nagre-report pa kami, oh my. Yan, sa halip na pictures ko, tambak, yan. Where, oh where, ayan, mafia. Diba, same din ng same din ng place kasi dito lang yung may quality na pwede pag-picturean kasi hindi naman malaki apartment namin. Pero yan, mga aesthetic ko ganyan. Nahilig nga talaga kasi ako sa red. Usually shot it and okay na ako sa red. Kahit sabihin nyo pang hindi bagay sa akin ang red. Oh my. Yan. So, ayun lang nga yung yung final product. Ay, diba kita yung line pag tinapatan mo ng liwanag. Diba? Tapos kita yung nanal. Salamat dun sa sa bestie ko nagturo sa magnunal kahit dati sinabi ko connect the dots siya, pero ayan, nakaka-enhance siya sa aesthetic. Ganun. Sabi ko sa'yo, mas mukhang pauti yung yung lip mo to. Tapos ayan, hindi ko masyado like kinapalan yung pagka-contour sa nose. Ang ginamit ko lang na shade, ito nga kasi yung gusto kong palette. Ay, hindi rin, hawakan ko tuloy. Ito. Yan, itong part na to, itong tatlong yan. Gamit na gamit yan, pati ito. Close up natin. May dent na siya. Ayan. Hindi ito sponsored nga ni, basta yan. Ito. Tapos itong puti. May dent na nga eh. Kita mo siya kung baga may dent. So, ginagamit ko din to sometimes pag aviosal. Kasi mas ako sa doing makeup compared sa other style. Doon ako na-compliment mostly ng mga kakas ko pag nagdo-doing makeup ako. Pero yun nga, little did they know, nag-try din ako ng dark feminine. Female fatal, pero hindi ako marunong pasingkitin na ganan. Or okay naman yung ganyan. Huwag na tayo magpasingkit kasi okay na sa akin almond eyes. Like, gusto ko lang makita ano kaya yung look. Parang ang taray-taray natin, office siren, atake. Tapos mag-check ako ng ganon. So, magkwento na lang tayo since tapos na yung makeup look. Magkwento na lang tayo kung ano magiging ongoing ko after ng Christmas party, after ko mag-retro. Una, kung anong susuot ko ng Christmas party or term year end kasi nga merong ibang parang religion sa amongst us, like respect syempre, I mean, ba't hindi mo i-respeto yung culture ng iba, culture, religion ng iba, para bang may foreigner akong foreigner akong kaklase, which is wala. Sana meron, like, kung meron pogi foreigner, like, mag-plot twist ka man. May third quarter pa, may fourth quarter pa. Available akong mag-plot twist. Like, I mean, kung pogi, tapos yun, may accent. I mean, and naman si Delulu. Delulu kasi, ayan kasi. Yan, tuloy. Hindi yun. Kung meron man, request ko either amber eyes ka, blue eyes. Alam yung kano sa mga umigil. La, tigil-tigilan nyo. Mga ko. Joke lang. I mean, hindi naman sa minamasama ko kayong lahat ng mga foreigners. Pero yung iba talaga sa inyo, grabe, men. Tigilan nyo. Oh my god, like, sa mga foreigners dyan, I mean, hindi ako naghahanap ng job, pero wala akong friends, ganun. Tapos, back to my Christmas party. So, wala naman tayong foreigner na klase doon, pero magre-retro tayo. Yes. Retro nga ang team namin. Wala pang decorations, guys. Bukas pa kami magde-decor. Oh my. Pero may food niya. May food na. Anong food ang pinili ko? Kasi bento-bento na siya kasi pag pinili namin bilao. Ubay, nagkakanda ubusan. Merong hindi nabigyan si ganito, hindi nabigyan si ganyan. At hindi ako officer, pero based on true experience. Like, same kaklase ko sila since yung lower, hindi naman lower grade, as in, nagsimula akong senior high. And yun man, curriculum dito. You know what the curriculum is here? Is very complicated, and sometimes it kept on changing. It varies since the government cannot decide. Last time nagpa-poll, bugs, intrusive to ko talaga, subabog, best. What do you mean? Parang college, pili na kayong subject nyo, tapos kami naghirap, kahit ako mag-nursing, tapos pinaggagawa ko ngayon pang engineering. Saan na to patungo? Ay, okay. Daig pang ang situationship kung anyways, so balik tayo sa Christmas party. Yun na nga, may food. Ang pinili ko ay para may variety. Variety ka dyan. Spontaneity ay okay na. Ang pinili ko ay carbonara, tas may half, tas spaghetti, tas chicken, banana, joke lang. Rainbow, may gulay. So, yun nga, chicken and spaghetti, parang man ibang lasa, diba? Yung carbonara lang. Pero favorite ko pag carbonara. Hindi yung carbonara na bulldog kasi hindi ko siya nagustuhan, guys. Like, keep the bulldog to yourselves. Yun na yan. Pero hindi ko talaga nagustuhan bulldog. May kanya-kanya siguro talaga ng taste. Mas gusto pa rin yung OG carbonara. Like, yung may bacon, sarap. So, yun nga. Retro, hindi ko pa alam yung design. Siguro, maglalagay ng disco. Disco ball, joke lang. Hindi yan magdi-disco ball. Siguro, hindi ko nga kung magpo-photo booth. Yung parang gagawa ka ng box na ganun. Tapos parang, sa dito may cut out. Tapos parang, sa Barbie. Kasi originally, ang takbo ng team namin, Y2K Barbie, ang hirap. Lalo ako na-stress doon kasi hindi ko talaga failed style ang Y2K. More of talaga like corporate outfits. Grabe. Ganap na ganap magtrabaho. Loko lang. Lang ang trabaho nga ni. Yun. Siguro po, kapag may ng Jollibee, dudukot tayong price. Joke lang. Yun. Ano pa ba? Kasi hindi, surprise na ata babalakan ng mga officer namin. Wala po masyadong nasasabi sa amin about Christmas. Yung flow, hindi ko alam kung perform, may aaralan pa ba kami sayaw, like, mga ngaroling ba kami isa-isa dun sa mga rooms. Pero yung retro, ang susuotin ko, brown flared pants. Hindi naman yung social na pang mayaman talaga, like, yung Shopee core. Tapos, yung top ko ay galing na mismo sa closet ng mama ko. Yes! Kasi, syempre, kapag yung mga, nila, like, yung mga clothing nila ay, more of parang leaning on soju. Iinom. Hindi ako nainom. More of shoujo style. Yes. Kasi, yun na lang yung feeling. Shoujo style. Tapos, yun nga. Mag-aanip pa ako. Hindi ko alam kung mag-scarf pa ako or wag na lang. Kasi, ang dami na sa amin mag-scarf para doon sa retro. Ang inis ko, brown jacket, light brown jacket. Pero yung parang sa lalaki, kasi hiram ko sa younger brother ko. Yan. Yun na siya. Yun na yun. Wala akong heels. At kapag nag-heels ako, baka matapilok pa ako, guys. Like, sasaluhin nyo ba ako pag natapilok ako? Sabihin niyo, ang OA ni ate girl, like, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. May bash na ako. Pero hindi ko talaga, mag-heels ang mataas, bes. Oh my God, wag na lang. Like, tinitika ko yung mga nagpapageant. Tapos, iniisip ko, grabe, nakakalakad po sila nun. Ante, oh my, ako pa nga lang natatapilok na takong ko, ganyan lang kaliit. So, yun nga, meron naman ako ng pink na parang doll shoes sa take niya. Yan. Christmas party. Pero sa 17 pa siya. It will be on Wednesday afternoon. Nakakatamad. I'm feeling sleepy because it's always raining here. Humid yung weather. So, nakakatamad. Gusto ko na lang magstay sa bahay. Manood sa Instagram. Magbasa ng knock-knock professor. Oh my God. Kasi, iniisip ko, nasa bookmark na pala. Kahit isipin ko, okay, talaga. Grabe, kung saan na tayo napupunta pag ako nagsasalita. Oh my. Nga kasi, pogi si. Ay, pero feeling ko mas pogi si, mas pogi si Salvian compared kay si ganun mabasa doon Salvian Salvian parang ang Tagalog magsalita Salvian yun nga. Tapos yung isa si Silidus. Wow, Silidus was Siligis joke. Pero, sana ako marunong mag-piano. Like, turuan niyo naman ako. Tapos, bigla ako napaisip. Like, gusto ko lang mag-comment as a reader and as such as player na reader. Like, ante yung chapter na anek, like, naglalaro sila ni, yung isa pa, tatlo kasi sila, si Salvi and si Silidus, at saka si Sanchel, parang Sanchez yung tunog, Santiel, Sanchez, ewan ko, Sanchel, gusto ko Sanchel kasi, or Santi na lang, Santi, joke lang. See, no, basta, naglalaro sila ng chess, as, ilang beses ko na-represent yung school namin sa chess best, like, I mean, hindi naman ako super pro, pero I mean, nakakalaban ako, get nyo ba? I mean, 15 moves, tapos based dun sa mga tira niya, okay, nakikita ko siya sa utak ko, like, alam mo yung kapag naglalaro ka ng chess, tapos makikita kang parang chessboard din sa, ayan, nasa harapan mo, like, checker dyan, tapos ilalagay mo, ganyan, tapos, tira mo dito, si Black, kinain ng ganun, sinabi naman niya, E6, ganon, kasi alam ko, nagno-notation din naman ako, pero bes, chess are endless possibilities, there are more chances of steps or moves in chess than the stars itself. So, girl, unless by the book, ni-replay ko siya, ni-replay ko siya sa board talaga. Yung pinagtititira nyo, okay, no hate to the author, pero, ako sa mga tiniest detail na ganun, like, alam kong fictional siya, pero, grabe yung pagka-fictional level niya, best. Oh my god, like, kaya pa yan, like, hindi pa naman patigok si Santiel, tapos black pa black ba? Pag black mo si Silidus, ako tabi akong tatalo dyan, bes, hindi ako papayag ng ganan, lalo na sa chess, bes, like, my favorite game is really chess, like, since I was 3, bro, I've been playing chess. Hindi ko pwedeng ganun. Hindi ko pwede tayong basta magpatalo dahil pogi ka. Clap back. Talaga, clap back. Yes. Hindi pwede. Hindi ubra angas mo sa akin. Yes. Pwede yan. Ayun. Diyan, throw lang ako dun. Pero, all over rating. Pero hindi ko siya tapos. Pero, oh my gulay. Like, nagulat din ako. Like, sino sa matinong utak. Like, grabe. I mean, syempre, ganyan nga yung pang-thrill doon. Pero na-off-throw talaga ako. Since the first, anong tawag doon? Yung kapag nag-meeting kayo, yung interview, random na tao yung, like, naiisip mo ba, like, kapag hahalikan mo yun, ang daming bacteria, like, nag-toothbrush ba to, like, kaniri, like, iniisip ko, feeling ko pag like, kasi, sabi niya, girl, hindi nga totoo ang mga vampira, but stuck ka pa sa Twilight era mo, like, I mean, alam natin lahat, like, panakot lang yun na matatanda sa atin, like, hello, look, there's a vampire, oh my god, like, ganun. Pero hindi yan totoo, hindi totoong vampire, hindi totoo si Edward, bes, hindi totoo si Edward. Tapos ang ginawa mo sa boss mo, sa first interview mo, bes, oh my god, mo siya hinalikan, bes, para na matesting kung may fang siya. Di mo nga ako, ang tilas ng pangil ka dito. Tapos, kakalaan mo kung vampira ako, bes. Like, teka, kadiri, germ bacteria, like, mukat mo, cannibal pala siya, oh my god, ganun. So, syempre talaga tayo, bes, like, grabe yung spoiler pati, pero, yun nga, gets yun naman, di ba? Like, I mean, hinawakan na nga niya bunganga nung boss niya, like, kadiri yung kamay mo, like, ang daming germs na natin. I mean, sabihin nyo lang, germophobe ako. Germophobe, yun ba yung term? Germophobe. Pero, bro, like, kung saan ka naghawak, sige, hawak ka dito, hawak ka dyan, hawak ka dito, ganyan, yan, ka dyan. Bes, tapos ihahawak mo, ang pogi ng nasa harap mo, tapos hawakan mo lang bunganga ng ganun. Ang samla. Oh my god, like, girl, like, girly pop, teka, ba't ka nang hahawak ng bunga? Magigets ko pa yung ganyan, lo. Ganon, tapos, bunga nga agad, grabe. First interview, first chapter, oh my, grabe. Eh, kung ako din naman sa kanya, joke ko lang. I mean, kasi, ganun yung like, situation niya, kasi, ex niya. I mean, ex pa ba yun? Hindi naman niya inofficially said, oh, we're breaking up. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You just cheated. I cannot accept this whole life all alone. I'm just loving all eh. Anyways, I mean, nag-cheat yung boyfriend niya. Tapos, ito, may nakita siyang poster. Hi girls, like, I found this poster. Okay, kumara, ito yung poster. Oh my god, sabi na, not allowed on cellphone. Be, sure ka? Hindi mo kaya kahit na ako hindi. Kahit may pogi pa doon, bes, kahit ang laki ng sweldo. Well, yung ang laki ng sweldo, makapag-isipan. I mean, kung ang gagawin mo lang naman, like, assist here and there, ay, tapos yun, ganyan, tapos, like, ay guys, tingnan nyo, wala akong cellphone. O, paano pag nasunog yung bahay? Tapos yung telepono mo, like yung traditional, telepono, eh yun nga, nakshi, like, oh my god, pag nasunog din yun, wala na, sunog. Sa isang video na natin pag-uusap pala, like, idadamay ko kayo, you'll be part of my spectator or third wheeling this whole romance. Pero to the author, salamat sa pagpaano sa akin. Oh my god, kilig naman siya, pero ayan, kita mo, roller coaster of emotions tayo. Pero yun nga, like this, piling mo ba mas pogi si Sabi? Like, oh my god, he's a painter. Doctor pa siya, lawyer, ganon. Hindi naman, wala naman taong ganon, bes. Okay. Siguro sabog lang ako, may peripheral. Peripheral view. Okay? At hindi kasi yung peripheral view ko. Okay. Like, nakalita akong nasa likod ko, ganon. Sabi nga ba, may gagamba pala. Malaki siya. Takot ako sa gagamba, pero yun nga, okay lang. At least. So, ang tagal na ng vid. So, hanggang dito naman na my basis. Kasi sunod na ulit the vlog. Bye-bye!